Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up that little Hinsdale socket set that I picked up a couple of weeks ago from the flea market. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, with a little Hinsdale socket set, I am ready to jump into this little restoration. We're going to do a full-blown treatment to it. We're going to clean up the sockets, clean up the ratchets, clean up the box. I say we jump right into it. We're going to start with some sockets. Alright, well, everything cleaned up really nice. I'm quite happy with that. We got 90% of the rust off of everything. We got that black spray paint off of there. Thank God it was spray paint and not Japanning, because I'd still be over there in a wire wheel. Sockets came out really clean. Everything is clean and ready to soak in some deoxy. Let me get a container and we'll get this soaking and then we'll start working on the box. Alrighty guys, I got everything soaking in the deoxy. It's doing its thing. The only thing I didn't put in there was this little breaker bar. There's a bunch of whammos and imperfections on there. I'm going to throw this on a 1x30, get it cleaned up the best I can, and then it'll be ready for its final treatment. So I say we head over to the 1x30. We'll start on this. Alright, so let me get the parts that are soaking out of the way here real quick. I'm going to spray down this breaker bar with some brake clean and we're going to blow it. I think that's how I'm going to do all of the Hinsdale tools. I think it'll make it look nice. And it should give it that old-timey look that I'm looking for. At least I'm hoping it will. I'm not looking for a new looking set. I just want that vintage look to it. So let's hope the blue will do its magic for me. I think it will. I got it pretty clean, so you get just zeroed in on that. Pretty nifty looking. Look how fast, once it's really clean, it just takes right over. That's awesome. Alright, we're going to let that sit on there. We'll wipe off the excess once it dries and we'll give it an oil. Alrighty, well, we got all the oil back off this. I am really happy with the outcome. I really am. That's fantastic. That's exactly what I was looking for. It looks like an old distressed tool, not abused, just used. It does have the imperfections that are still in there, but it's silky smooth. It looks good. It's uniformed. Yeah, I just hope all the sockets and the two wrenches come out exactly the same as this. So if they do, I will be a very happy man. Set that off to the side. We are also going to set this off to the side, and we're going to focus on the Hinsdale box. This tray will come out. There's some little tabs here on the bottom. We can bend these off. Might even do it with my finger. Nah, some heavy steel. I want to get the insert out, clean this box up real good, and we'll give her a paint job. Got to use some body filler on the top probably, but we'll get to that when we get to it. So, all right, let's start pulling this box apart. Should just pop right out. There it goes. Knew it would. Yeah, good thing I did that. It's rusting up under it, so that is cool. We can get that cleaned up as well, and we will throw that right back in this thing. Sweet. All right. Well, I say we get us some paint stripper on this. Figure out. Yeah, I think paint stripper will work best. Let me get some of that. Nice, that came out pretty clean. Just hope the rest of it does. Don't need much. It's probably too much, but and all I'm doing is the top side of this. The rest of it's in pretty good shape. This is just Bondo brand, Bondo. There we go. I think that'll sand off nicely, and that should be it for the body work on this. But we'll get this sanded off, then we'll throw a nice coat of primer on there, and then we'll give it a color coat. So let's let that dry. I can tell you it's not spraying, right? What is going on here? Alright, we're going to coat these down with some blue. Give them a nice look. I do like that look. Nice. Oh, I like that. Looks antique-y and old. Just what I was going for. Nice. Very, very nice. Get the little guy here. Okay, everything is cleaned and oiled. We're going to move that out of the way real quick. I'm going to come back to the box here. I do need to put this little socket tray back in. I think it went something like that. Pin that tab down. There we go, we're back in place. That's what I'm talking about that old antique-y look. It's still worn, mind you, but it just looks, period correct as far as I'm concerned. Just gonna get the excess oil off these. Put him right there. Then we got one more thing to do to this. That's what I've been waiting for the whole time. Finish this set out. I've got two Hinsdale stickers. I'm going to put one on the inside, one on the outside. And that will be it for this project. I'm talking about. Hinsdale set, all cleaned up. New sticker on the inside. Hammered black finish on the box. I am really happy with this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the Hinsdale set. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.